Hello, Oracles. Oracle Tim here from Oracle Investments. Today we're going to have a little fun. Today we are going to speculate and discuss 12/9, what we think is going to happen on 12/9, if we think anything is going to happen on 12/9, in regards to Tesla, its stock, Elon Musk, all of the above. Before we get into that, a little update on Elon's sales. There were no Form 4 filings last night for any of Elon's sales. So while the trading yesterday did seem similar to Thursday's pattern, it may have just been the whole environment that was dragging everything down. Technically, we still have until Monday to receive these Form 4 filings. I will keep you guys posted on that, but as of right now, it looks like Thursday was the only day that Elon sold shares this week. And I did get clarification when it comes to his material non-public information. If Elon does have that, all of these sales that he is doing due to his exercising of shares, those all are totally okay because they were pre-scheduled. So any sales that were pre-scheduled can still be executed when there's an MNPI involved. So this is totally okay. That might also be why he hasn't sold those extra shares outside of these pre-scheduled. We don't know that. We won't know that until afterwards. But if anybody is concerned about the material non-public information and the sales that he is currently doing, it is totally fine, totally legal, no issues there because it's already been pre-scheduled. Let's get into these 12/9 conspiracy theories. So the first one, the big one that everyone is talking about, is the potential stock split. Let me know if you guys think he's going to be splitting the stock on 12/9. My personal feeling on this is he is not. While I would love it to happen, realistically, the price action and where it's at right now doesn't seem viable for a split. Elon still has a significant amount of shares left to sell, and every time he does it, it brings down the stock significantly. So I can't foresee him knowing when the sales are going to happen, knowing the price action that happens when he sells, to really do a split. It just doesn't make any sense. I mean, I can be totally wrong on this one, so this is just my opinion, but it doesn't really make sense for him to do it at this point in time. I still definitely see one coming for sure. Just right now does not seem right. I think he's going to finish selling off all of his shares, exercising all of his options, and do all of that first before he even ventures into a stock split. Now, Elon did debunk what I thought was going to be the 12/9 rumor. Unless he did sell yesterday and we haven't gotten the information, I was thinking he was just going to pile on his sales, all of them, because 12/9 would be the last sale, second to last sale for him, and then finishing off the week. So then his sales would be done, and then we can grow from there. But it doesn't look like he did sell yesterday based on the Form 4 filings. And if he did do it with the macro environment right now, we would crush the stock. But with pre-scheduled sales, he doesn't know what the stock price is going to be. So that was debunked quickly. So I don't think that's what's going to happen. But I still think he will sell all of his shares by the end of the year. Could it be SpaceX? Could that be the 12/9 rumors? He's got a lot of stuff going on with SpaceX, discussing things about bankruptcy in the future, which I don't think is going to happen. There are way too many investors and he has way too much money to allow that to happen. I mean, his real focus right now is to get to Mars anyway, so there's no way he's going to let SpaceX go bankrupt. But maybe there is some giant news about SpaceX. Maybe he's going to announce that it's going to go public on 12/9. I don't know if that's true. I would absolutely love for it to be true. Maybe he's going to announce that Starlink is going to go public. Don't know. That's also another possibility of some news that he might announce on 12/9. And one thing that I think might come out of 12/9, timing-wise, based on last month's numbers, is 12/9, we might actually get the China sales numbers, officially get those numbers. So, those might come out on 12/9 because they came out on November 8th of last month. That could come out, and Elon probably just knows when the information is going to come out. and alluding to that, and he may know that these China sales numbers are through the roof, which is why, he's got rocket ships around 12.9 and stuff, saying Tesla to the moon because they're doing so well in China. And 12.9 ironically just happens to be International Anti-Corruption Day, so I'm sure Elon is trolling the heck out of this because we all know what's going on here in the US with the UAW. I'm sure similar things are going on in Germany, which is why Giga Berlin keeps on getting the can kicked down the road. So he may have some sort of special trolling stuff going on 12.9 to celebrate Anti-Corruption Day for himself and us as Tesla investors. And this leads me to what I believe is actually going to come out on 12.9, which is going to be the unveiling of the Cybertruck's final form. And all these breadcrumbs we have been seeing all week long. We've got the Cyber Whistle, the kids' Cyber ATV, Cyber Socks, which I might actually order some. And heck, then he announced yesterday that it will be coming out with the quad motor with tank-style crab walk. All of this stuff coming out over the past week leading up to 12.9 Anti-Corruption Day, 12.9 being the day that we can announce it because we've got GM who has got the Hummer coming out, we've got Ford who has the F-150 coming out, we've got Rivian's vehicle. So for Tesla to drop the Cybertruck information on 12.9 would make great sense because that is the huge competition that everybody is waiting for to see that are just going to squash all of these other manufacturers. And what better way for Elon to troll them than by dropping the insane technology that Elon tweeted about the Cybertruck on top of GM's Hummer and Ford's F-150 Lightning, and just saying, hey, you guys have these products, well look at ours, we are way better than yours, and suck it. And Tesla did just release camp mode, which, they've got catered to more the Model Y, but, we see all these pictures of the Cybertruck in the middle of the woods camping, so you can't tell me that it has nothing to do with the Cybertruck. So I'm sure camp mode is going to play a vital role in the Cybertruck as well. Now, in Elon's tweets, he did respond to a lot of people out there saying roadmap is coming on the earnings call. So we might get the design of the Cybertruck on 12.9, but we're not going to get any more information. So he's definitely making sure everyone knows the actual roadmap that we're going to be getting will be coming on the earnings call. So I'm super excited about that because we're going to get a lot of information. It seems to me like Elon is excited about sharing this roadmap with all of us. So there's going to be some great stuff coming out of it. I still think he might be leaking that Cybertruck design on 12.9. And so, of course, I was super excited when he announced the quad motor. Checking on it, looks like Sawyer Merritt did announce that it's only going to be the dual motor and quad motor variants that are going to be on the Cybertruck. So if you do have a reservation that's out there, I don't know if in your current reservations, if you are able to adjust it now. I know from my reservation, I'm going to be able to pick my trim closer to the production date. So when we get closer to that, that might be your opportunity to change it then. I have no doubt most of you who are going with the tri-motor are just going to upgrade to the quad motor. Single motor made no sense. Why would you get a single motor in a Cybertruck when you're going to be towing? Doesn't make sense. So looks like dual motor and quad motor trims are going to be the two options for the Cybertruck. And I'm hoping that we get that final form on 12.9 so I can get even more excited than I already am about it. And one of you in the comments, thank you for this awesome idea. I had posed a question last night because I have my Y that it's also on pre-order. Do I get the Y? Do I get the Cybertruck? Or do I get both? And their suggestion was that come September, if the stock price is over $2,000, take them both. And I'm going to totally do that. I put that on my list. So I'm going to monitor the stock price. And if it's over $2,000 come September, I'm going to buy them both. So I will keep that one tracked and let you guys know how we do on that one. Thank you all so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you think is going to be happening on 12.9, if you think anything is going to be happening. What is he going to announce? Are we going to see the split? Are we going to see the Cybertruck's final form? Let me know in the comments. If you have not subscribed, please do so down below. Like this video, sign yourself up for notifications for any updated Tesla stock news, and I will see you guys all later. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend.